Every year, a strange and eerie event grips a small village in Assam, India. In the village of Jatinga, birds begin falling from the sky for no clear reason. It happens only at night, between September and November. Between 6 and 9:30 p.m., birds become disoriented, flying straight into buildings and trees. Some survive, many don't. This happens only on a small 1-mile stretch of land, nowhere else. Locals once believed it was caused by evil spirits or dark forces. For generations, they feared the skies during this season. Scientists have tried to explain it with fog, lights, and magnetic disturbances. But none of the theories truly solve the mystery. Why only Jatinga? Why only during those specific nights? And why do the birds seem drawn to die? It remains one of nature's most chilling and unexplained mysteries. The skies over Jatinga whisper secrets no one has cracked. And maybe they never will.